Okay, so now we will discuss the string type case structure. It means now we will control which case should be executed on the basis of what? String control. It means user has to enter a word, and if that word matches with the word which is entered in the case, then that case will be executed. So for example, this is subtract, and we will have another case which is add case, then division case, and then multiply case. So user has to enter that word, and that word should be case sensitive. उसको हम देखते हैं अभी. Okay, so now we will, the rest of the program is exactly the same. We are getting the two numbers and we are performing a mathematical operation on that number. Okay, so now we'll implement that one, or we will modify the previous vi, and we will incorporate a string control instead of the enum control. So we will simply delete this enum control, and we will have what? We will have a string control. So for string control, what you have to do, we have to go to the front panel, right click, and then from the string category we have to select the string control, and we will place it here. Okay, we will drag it out, and then we will connect it with this terminal. So there is no error. It means these are the same cases: subtract, multiply, divide, add. So if the user wants to add these two numbers, what he has to enter? He has to enter add. If he has to multiply those numbers, then he has to enter multiply in the same format, with the first letter capital and the other letter small. Okay, so now the rest of the program is exactly the same. So now we will run this program. Okay, so let me write subtract. So is it okay? Yes, because that S should be capital. Okay, let me just try. I press enter, nothing is happening, but I'm still getting 4. Why I'm getting 4? Yes, that is the default case. That's why I'm getting the 4. Okay, so once again I will first of all select this the whole text and then delete, so that there is nothing inside that string. Or let me just, okay, so that you can see there is nothing inside. So now I will enter subtract in the correct format. Okay, now it's fine. Subtract. Okay, if I enter multiply, so it's multiplied. If I enter divide, so it's divide. So when you write the word, when you enter or when you press the enter key, what is happening? It is not going out of the control, instead it is going to the next line. So this is not correct. What you have to do, you have to write the word like divide and then press the tab button, tab, so that it goes to the next control, which is 4. So in this way you will get the correct answers. So if I write once again multiply in the incorrect format, nothing will happen, or you can say that the default case will run. Okay, so now what we will do, we will try to make this case structure, or make this case insensitive. So we need to right click on the border of the case structure and case insensitive match. Okay, so it is actually this option is selected for all the cases now. Okay, so now we will run this program once again. Okay, it's happening. Subtract. See, so now you don't have to worry about the capital or small letters, but if you write wrong word, then like for example mul, then it will not work. You have to write the whole word. So when you write mul, what is happening? These two numbers are adding, because that add is the default case.